So in today's video, I am going to review basically Amazon's cheapest, Amazon's cheapest foldable tripod. Folks, this is a pocket size tripod. I really think you're gonna like it, but I want you to stay to the end, watch the entire video, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think about it, what it works with, where it's good, where it's not good, and if it's worth it. But if you stay tuned, somebody is going to win one of these for free. Focus, people. Do you want one of these for free? Then stay tuned to the end of the video. I mean, you should stay tuned to the video anyways. Go ahead and like and subscribe before you forget. Let's do it. Let's do it now. I'm not going to start until you do it. Go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here it is. So you can pick this bad boy up on Amazon for about $10, under $10 US dollars. I don't know what that equates to in whatever currency that you're into, but $10 US dollars for this. And here's what I'm going to tell you. If it's on a quarter thread, oh, I just turned my camera on. Look at that. If it's on a quarter thread tripod or a 3/8 head tripod, which means because of these two holes down here, it's versatile. Can you see the two holes? Two holes are at the bottom. Yeah, they're gonna focus there. It kind of focused. Okay, two holes on the bottom. We have 4 rubber feet, so it's good. It's sturdy. But what I'm saying is, it fits on your Joby GorillaPod. It fits on this size head, and it also fits on, well, the one that sits in the bottom of your camera. So focus. This is how easy it comes off. So basically, we just unscrew it here, and I have it in really tight, but you just give it a little. See? Check this out. Do I have a tripod? I do. It's in my pocket. Oh, is that a wallet? No, that's my tripod. See how cool that is? Anyways, it's really small, and it does basically like a Z function. It depends on how tight you keep it, but it's so hot in here. But you can go forward, you can mount it down, you could do all these things. It has a level. The attachment for your camera or your Gopro or whatever slides, so it helps balance. I will say that on a DSLR, I don't know how well it's going to do. But in the box, you do get a little Allen key, and you can tighten up these. And I've tightened this up a couple times. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I've tightened it up a couple times because it does get loose. But it usually only gets loose with my really like a bigger camera, bigger lens, things like that. But one of the things that's so cool about this is because it gets so flat, you cannot get your Joby GorillaPod with the head. Okay, with the head. Hear me out, folks. I'm trying to go quick. Because I know you just want to know, like, you know what I mean? Like, this gets so much lower, right? So that's awesome. Now, you want to use it with a cell phone? Do you have one of these bad boys? Put it on there. Give it a little spinny spin. You put your phone in here like so. And now you have a mobile tripod for your phone. Okay, if you're doing a cooking show, you want to angle it down. I don't know what you want to do. I don't know what you're going to do with this thing, but it's awesome. Okay, so we got that. Works with a GoPro. What are the downsides to this thing? I'm actually filming it with one of these tripods right now. So, will it work on here? Yes, it will. Will it work on here? Yes, it will. Will it work with your phone? Will it work with a GoPro? Will it work with this? Will it work with a Sony a6000 with a zoom lens? All the way out. It will. You will have to tighten it. Okay, now let me tell you why this is fantastic. Because on Amazon, if you look right now, I'm not going to say the name out loud, but if you look right now, there's foldable tripod heads that cost $85 to $150. And the only difference I can tell is they're metal. This is plastic. I don't know why that, if that bothers you, then this is not the product for you. This doesn't bother me. It's light. The very high-end versions have twisty screws. This one you have to use an Allen key. I get that. The high-end version, however, you have to unloosen every time you reposition it. That gets old. So basically, I'm gonna give this my gold star of approval. If you're doing things like in the street, you're on the go, you're a skateboarder, parkour, I don't even know. But if you need to get low angles or just set it up someplace instead of propping up your phone against a tree and maybe taking selfies, things like that, this is pretty cool and it's very useful. So, as I promised, before I tell you this, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel yet, and hit the notification bell, let's see, what's the date? What's the date? For 1 week only, from the day I post this video, for 1 week, I want you to leave me a comment below and tell me why you need this tripod and how you will use it. Basically, why you need it, how you will use it. Leave that in the comments below, and I'm going to pick somebody to give it away to. US or Canada only, please. I am not a big channel. I don't make a lot of money. This was not a sponsored review. However, I did get 2 of these for free, so it depends on how you look at it. So I'm going to give one away. I'm keeping one for myself. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. I will leave a link for this product in the description below. It's on Amazon. It is about $10 plus shipping. I don't think it's on Amazon Prime, but it's pretty cheap. And as I said, leave me some comments below and maybe you will win this bad boy within the next week. Thanks so much for watching and I appreciate it. Have a good one. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but my button just broke. Like, as I was putting this shirt on to film this video. Is that bad luck?